Hello friends, today we are going to show you how to make a mini water pump at home. For this you have to need a motor, right? This is a cap of water bottle. You have to make a hole in the middle and in the side also, right? One hole and this is the second hole, right? After that you have to take this motor and you have to put this motor here, right, in this way. See here, right? After that you have to make a circle, of a another cap like this one. I cut this circle, right, this one, right? After that you have to make a propeller with blade, or you can make it with cap of the plastic bottle also, right? We have made it with blade. You can make it with other things also, like this one. You can cut this one in this way and divide it into 4 parts, and the 4 parts will be in this way, and you have to put it here, right? Now after that you have to put this one here, right, and you have to put this one here with glue, right, so that it may rotate in this way, and you have to put this one in this way with glue, and you take this pipe and put it in this hole. This is the method how you have to make a water pump, mini water pump at home. Now I will show you, I have shown you it in the part 1 section, how to make this mini water pump project, right? Again I am telling you, this is a motor. You have to take one water bottle, you have to take two holes, one hole here, one hole here. You put it here, right? After that you take another circle of plastic and you put this wheel here, right, and put a refill in this position. I am showing you how to put the refill in this position. You have to put a refill here and fix it here with glue in this way, and fix this wheel with glue in this way, right? Now whenever you give power it will rotate, and you cover it with this one, and again fill it with glue, and this pipe should be given here in this way. And now our mini pump is now ready. Now we have shown you in the video in the first part. Now part 2 I will show you how to transfer water from one vessel to another with a water pump. Let's see. This is the procedure how to make the water pump. You can see the previous video of part 1 how we have made this mini water pump. Now we will transfer the whole water from one vessel to another. You see how we are transferring the water with the help of a mini motor. Hello everybody. Here you see how we have set up this water pump, and we'll transfer the whole colored water from one vessel to that of another. You see, this is our motor. We have just made and shown to you how we have made it. and if we give power to it, it will transfer the whole colored water into this vessel. You just see how it is working. Ready? 1, 2 and 3. You see how the whole water is transferring from this vessel to this vessel. You see here how the whole water is transferring from one vessel to another, one container to that of another container. The whole water will be transferred from this container to that container. You see how the mini water pump is working. In this way, you can make a water pump at home very easily, but you have to follow the principle which we have shown you in the video. You see, the whole water will be transferred from this container to that container with the help of this mini DC motor. You see here how the whole water is transferring from one container to that of another. In this way, you can make a mini water pump at home. You see here how the whole water is transferring from one container to that of another. Now see here, the whole water is transferring from this vessel to this vessel. In this way, a mini DC motor works. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And if you be a member of our channel, we will reveal all the magic of science and the tricks of all the videos which we have made. What are the tricks we are applying? You can see it in the member section. So be our member and we will give you such videos and the tricks also in the member section, and also some special videos for the members. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. You see here, the whole colored water is transferred from one vessel to that of another with the help of a mini DC motor. Here, the whole water is transferred from this vessel to that vessel with the help of a mini DC motor. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video, and be our members so that you may get some special videos and some tricks and tips about how to promote your YouTube channel, and your channel will be monetized within 6 months.